Drift with me now, gently inward toward the heart of our solar system. Leave behind the busy paths of distant planets, the soft blues of Earth, and the swirling clouds of giants far away. We are traveling closer to the sun than any other planet dares to go, toward a small, silent world that moves with patience and calm. This is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and yet it is often overlooked. It does not shine with colorful clouds, nor does it wear rings or glow with reflected light. Instead, Mercury exists quietly, circling the sun in a steady, ancient rhythm that has continued for billions of years. To understand Mercury, we begin with its place, its position in the solar system, and the gentle, unhurried path it follows around our star. A planet close to the sun, Mercury rests at the very inner edge of the solar system. It orbits at an average distance of about 58 million kilometers from the sun. In cosmic terms, this is incredibly close. From Mercury's surface, the sun does not appear as it does from Earth. It looms large in the sky, glowing brighter, warmer, and more commanding, but never harsh in this telling. The sunlight arrives steadily, bathing the rocky ground in a constant presence, like a slow-burning candle that never flickers. Because Mercury is so close, it completes one full journey around the sun in just 88 Earth days. This makes it the fastest-moving planet in our solar system, quietly gliding along its path while others take their time farther out. Yet despite this speed, Mercury never feels rushed. Its orbit is smooth, predictable, and calm, an ancient dance repeated endlessly since the solar system was young. The shape of Mercury's orbit. Unlike Earth's nearly circular path, Mercury follows an elliptical orbit, meaning its distance from the sun gently changes over time. Sometimes Mercury drifts a little farther away, enjoying a brief moment of space. At other times, it glides closer, feeling the sun's presence more strongly. This slow change is not sudden or dramatic. It happens gradually over weeks, as Mercury traces its oval-shaped path through space. At its closest point, called perihelion, Mercury is wrapped deeply in sunlight. At its farthest point, aphelion, it enjoys a slightly quieter warmth. These subtle variations help shape Mercury's unique environment, though the planet itself remains unchanged, calm, silent, and enduring. A quiet companion to the sun. Mercury has no thick atmosphere to scatter light or soften shadows. There are no winds, no clouds, no weather patterns drifting overhead. The sky above Mercury is always dark, even during the day, with the sun shining sharply against the blackness of space. As Mercury orbits, it does so alone. It has no moons, no nearby companions following it along its path. It is a solitary traveler, keeping close to the sun as if in quiet companionship. From far away, Mercury might seem insignificant, a small, rocky body lost in solar glare. But up close, its presence feels intentional, as though it belongs exactly where it is. Mercury's gentle spin. Mercury's movement is not only about its orbit, it also spins slowly as it travels. One full rotation on Mercury, one complete day from sunrise to sunrise, lasts 76 Earth days. This means Mercury turns very slowly, allowing sunlight to linger on one side for a long time before drifting away. This slow spin creates a rhythm unlike any other planet's. Daylight arrives gradually, stays patiently, and leaves just as softly. Mercury's rotation and orbit are locked in a special balance, called a 3.2 resonance. For every 3 rotations on its axis, Mercury completes 2 orbits around the sun. This gentle harmony keeps Mercury stable, predictable, and serene, an elegant cosmic agreement written into the laws of motion. The silence of space. Because Mercury is so close to the sun, it is often hidden from view when seen from Earth. It appears only briefly in the sky, just after sunset or before sunrise, earning it the name the elusive planet. But here in imagination we can linger. There is no sound on Mercury. No wind brushing across the surface. No rustle, no echo, no movement beyond the slow march of light and shadow. The silence is complete and deeply calming. An ancient world. Mercury formed over 4.5 billion years ago, around the same time as the rest of the solar system. Since then, it has remained largely unchanged. Its surface bears the marks of time, countless craters from ancient impacts, frozen in place. Nothing erases them. Nothing covers them. As Mercury orbits the sun again and again, these scars remain, telling quiet stories of the early solar system. Each orbit adds nothing new, only continuity, only presence, Mercury's relationship with the sun. From Mercury's perspective, the sun is not just a star, it is the center of everything. The sun dominates the sky, rising slowly, hanging above the horizon for long stretches, then drifting away just as gradually. Sometimes, due to Mercury's unusual motion, the sun appears to pause, even briefly move backward in the sky, before continuing its path. This strange effect happens silently, without drama, like a gentle illusion in a dream. Mercury accepts it all without resistance, a planet of stillness and motion. Though Mercury moves quickly through space, it feels still. Its orbit is fast, but its days are long. Its journey is constant, but its surface never changes. Its environment is extreme, yet its presence is calm. Mercury teaches us that speed does not mean chaos. Movement does not mean noise. Even close to the blazing heart of a solar system, stillness can exist. Closing the first chapter. As this chapter comes to a gentle close, imagine Mercury continuing its path, circling the sun once more, exactly as it has done for billions of years. No hurry, no hesitation, just a quiet orbit traced in light and shadow. In the next chapter, we will remain on this silent world and explore what it feels like to live between burning sunlight and freezing night, where fire and ice exist side by side. For now, rest here, with Mercury and its calm eternal journey around the sun.